Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a clock in Notion. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for indify.co. Once you are on the website, either create a new account or sign into an existing one. After you sign in, the home page will be displayed. Next, click on the Add New Widget button and select the clock option. You will then need to enter a title for your clock and click on Continue. Now, the clock will be displayed on your screen. From the left side menu, you can change the settings of the clock to suit your preferences. Once you are satisfied with the settings, copy the link from the bottom of the page. Now, go to the Notion website, sign into your account, and navigate to the page where you would like to place the clock. You can also create a new one if you want. After that, type /embed and select the first option that appears. Now paste the link you copied and click on Embed Link. If you need to further customize the clock, go back to the Indify website and make the necessary changes. After making the changes, refresh your Notion page and the clock will be updated automatically. So that's basically how you can add a clock in Notion. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.